Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? In the name of Allah, who is the most kind and ever merciful, let's start our 5th lecture of mathematics books of pre-3 class from page number 24. Let's start. From page number 24. Today our topic is how many tens. How many tens? In previous lecture we have learned about tens and units, and today we learn again. Today the date is 22nd April 2020 and the day is Wednesday. Let's start. A single unit, a box. This single box is called unit. A single box is called unit, and all the boxes all together called a 10. You have to count like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. If you have 10 units, it means you have 110. If you have 10 units, it means you have 110. You have to write 110. And how many units you have? You have 10 units. 110, 10 units. Count the next one. Count the next one. You have how many units you have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 110. 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. 20 means you have 2 tens. 20 means you have 2 tens. You have to write 2 10, 20 units. You have 20 units, it means you have 2 tens. Count the next one. Here you have 30 units. Here you have 30 units, it means you have 3 tens. You have 30 units, it means you have 3 tens. 30 units. The next one is count the tens. You have 10, 20, 30, 40. You have 40 units. You have 40 units. It means you have 4 tens. You have 40 units. It means you have 4 tens. Count the next one. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. You have to count single box, each unit. 1, 2, 3 like this. And count all. Here are 50 units. We have 50 units. It means 50 units means we have 5 tens. The next one is we have 60 units. 60. We have 60 units. It means we have 6 tens. Count the next one. We have 70 units. It means we have 7 tens. We have 80 units here. 80 units, 8 tens. 90 units, 9 tens. Very good. Like this. From this pattern you can learn easily. The next topic is tens and units. Write how many tens and how many units. Count the tens. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 and 30. You have 30 units. It means you have 3 tens. You have 3 tens. And how many units you have? You have 1 2 3 4 5 6. You have 6 units. You have 3 tens and 6 units. Count the units again. 10, 20, 30, 40. Count each units separately. You have 4 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 units. You have 4 tens, 7 units. Count the next one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 6 tens. 1, 2, 3. 3 units. These single boxes are units. These are tens. These are units. These are tens. Right here. The next one is count the tens. Right here. Count the units and right here. Very good. This is very easy and simple topic. Count the next one, tens and unit. Count and write how many tens and units. Here you have to count the circles. It means these circles denote tens. These circles denote units. Count the tens and write, and count the units and write here. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many tens you have? You have 4 tens. Write, trace here. 4. Count the units. 1, 2, 3. 3 units. 4, 3, 43. You have to write 4, 3, 43. Count the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens. 1, 2, 2 units. 5 to 52. Write on this line. 5 to 52. Count the next one. Count the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many tens you have? You have 5 tens. Right here 5. You have 5 tens. And how many units you have? 1 and 2. You have 2 units. So it makes 5 to 52. 5 to 52. The next one is count the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units. 7, 4, 74. 74. Count the tens. 1, 2. 2 tens. And count the units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units. 2, 5, 25. 2, 5, 25. Yes, like this. Count the tens. 1, 2, 3. 3 tens. How many units? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units. 3, 4, 34. Very good. Now you are able to complete this page. Count the tens right here. Count the units right here, and then right here. Count the tens, units, and right here. Very good. The next topic is how many tens and how many ones. Count and write. You have to count and write the tens and ones. ठीक है, you have to count and write tens and ones. Here you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have 1 10, 1 10, and count the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many tens you have? 1 10, 2 10. We have 20 units. It means we have 2 10. Trace 2 and count the units. Units means ones. Ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here units. Count the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 20 units means 2 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 30 units. We have 10, 20 and 30 units. We have 30 units. It means we have 3 tens. The next one is units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 units. Write together 3 7 37. 3 7 37. Count the next one. How many tens we have? 1 2 3 4 5 tens. We have 5 tens. And 1 2 3 3 units. 5 3 53. 5 3 53. Count the tens right here and count the units right here. And then 4 4 44. 4 4 44. Very good. The next topic is similar as the previous topic. You have to count how many tens, count and write. You just only have to count tens here and write in this box. Count how many tens? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30. We have 30 units. It means we have how many tens? We have 3 tens. We have 3 tens. Trace 3. Very good. Count the units. How many units we have? Then write here how many tens we have. Count each unit. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, like this. And then after counting you are able to tell how many tens we have. Write here the tens. Count the units and write the tens. Very good. The next one is copy. The next one is copy. You have to copy numbers from 21 to 30. 21 to 30. In previous lectures we have learned from counting. We have learned counting from 1 to 20. In this lecture we are going to learn the counting from 21 to 30. Learn with me. Learn aloud. Read aloud. 2 1 21. 2 2 22. 2 3 23. 2 4 24. 2 5 25. 2 6 26. 2 7 27. 2 8 28. 2 9 29. 3 0 30. Very good. You have to learn and write in these boxes same like the above line given on the page. Very good. The next topic is color the biggest number. Color the biggest number. After completing this counting you are able to tell which number is biggest or which number is smallest. Here you have to write biggest number and here you have to color the smallest number. 7 and 10. Which number is biggest? 10. Color 10. 11, 17. Which number is biggest? 17. Color 17. 20, 25. 25 is bigger. Then color 25. Color properly. 4, 21. 21 is biggest. 6, 18. 18 is biggest. 22, 29. 29 is biggest. 10, 30. 30 is biggest. Very good. Like this you are now able to tell which number is smallest. 6 or 8. 6 is smallest. So color the smallest. And you complete this page full. Now our homework is you have to done write date 22nd April 2020. Homework day. Topic spelling. Spellings 0 is O 0. 1 O in 1. 2 T V O 2. 3 T H 3. 4 F O 4. 5 F E 5. This is your homework. You also have to learn these spells. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz. Meet you in next lecture.